DJI Pocket GoPro adapter. Let's have a look. So you've been a good boy over Christmas, or girl, and you've purchased, or Santa's purchased you a nice DJI Pocket, and you've enjoyed it and you thought this is really good. And it is really good. But some of the limitations are, it's just really kind of a selfie thing at the moment, and you kind of wish you could mount it onto something else to give you more extension. Now, DJI have been creating new accessories, but it's been very slow on the uptake. But luckily those boys over in China have worked on something, and it's arrived today. So on Amazon it's called the Y Young Portable Multifunctional Expanding 1/4 Screw Adapter Mount Stand for DJI Osmo Pocket. Kind of rolls off the tongue if you ask me. The box has arrived and it says a Sunny Life cup support and adapter for Osmo Pocket. And I paid £4.29 for this, just £4.29. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So regular viewers to the channel will be pleased to know that I don't do that many unboxing videos, but as there's none about this, I thought we'd have a look. So it arrives like this, and I'm just gonna do that, and voila, what we got. Oh, so cool. Oh, cool. Right, so you get the actual clip. I've been looking for one of those for the 1/4 thread adapter, and then you get this little jobby here, which is for the Osmo. So I've seen a couple out there, and some appear to have like a thing that squeezes in, but this one doesn't. But then I wasn't too concerned about that. So let's get the Osmo, and I guess it's just gonna slide in. Put a bit more light here. Look at this, almost a professional, but it's blurry. So we're just going to get some light, and that's just going to, oh, that's really tight. That fits really well. Oh, in fact, yeah, that's really good. Okay, let's film on it. Sorry about the blurriness. There you go, a bit better. So it fits in nice. I like it. Okay, let's have a shot. Okay, so now we're filming on the DJI Osmo using the adapter, and I'd have to say it's really secure. This is just what I wanted. So, as I've said, DJI are working on products to replace these kind of Chinese copies or make-believe products, but they are expensive, and for £4.29 this is a really solid bit of kit. I think it's really good. So let's do a bit of jigging with it and see how we get on, see if it falls out. So if I had to guess, you're probably feeling sick by now. But as you can see, it's really secure. And no matter what I did, it kind of like didn't fall out. Will it cause any damage to the bottom of the Osmo? You're probably going to get some rubbing, if I had to guess. But I don't mind a bit of rubbing as opposed to dropping it. I think we all like a bit of rubbing, truth be told. But yeah, look at that. So £4.29. Now I would say, although it comes with a GoPro mount, I don't think I'd be doing anything hyper adventurous with the Osmo. A, it's quite a delicate camera on its own, and B, the grip though stable for what we're doing. On a mountain bike or something else, well, you'd have to try it for yourself. I wouldn't be quite so sure myself. Like I say though, for the usual kind of GoPro going round, if you're going to attach it onto something or try and get that weird or wonderful angles you can get using these wonderful GoPro accessory mounts, it's ideal. So £4.29, bargain. And what it does help also is you put it on like a jobby or one of these 360 UFOs, you get that extension you've been requiring to get that full picture, which you do not get in the Osmo, because it is a very tight picture, but this gives it much better. Plus also now you can stand it up, you can do your time lapses, you can do your tracking. Fantastic, just what we needed. Right, there we go. So, thank you very much for watching today, hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you soon. I'll leave a link below about this. I think you'll enjoy it, and for that price point, fantastic. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye!